Expertly engineered to transport your valued cargo, the Domestic Carry-On Spinner is the optimal bag for any adventure. Made using 3 layers for scratch resistance with 100% virgin Macrolon polycarbonate, Torq's outer shell is high strength, lightweight, and provides elasticity and resiliency. Premium metal hardware, tactile and retractable soft touch carry handles, and strategically molded grab locations make handling the bag easy. And a monogrammable plate allows you to add your distinct initials, making the bag all your own. Our iconic outsider handle is made from aircraft-grade aluminum and has 3 stages to adapt to travelers of different heights. An integrated ID tag in between the handlebars is a sleek way to conceal your personal information. The exceptionally wide wheel base makes the bag tilt-resistant for maximum stability, while double spinner wheels with metal ball bearings provide effortless 360-degree navigation and a long rolling life. The front face of our Domestic Carry-On Spinner features our patented hard-side front pocket with a push-button release and hinge door. The TSA-friendly combination lock secures the front compartment as well as the main packing compartment. This revolutionary front pocket provides easy access to your travel items in transit while providing maximum protection of your contents. Inside this compartment, you'll find strategically configured pockets and vital features like a USB cord, which connects to an external port on the side of the bag, to effortlessly connect to a separate battery which can be stored in the designated front pocket, conveniently letting you charge your phone or other device from outside the bag. There are additional pockets of varying shapes and sizes to store cables, chargers, pens, a tablet, or a laptop. There's also an RFID shielded pocket to protect your microchipped assets like passports or credit cards against digital pickpockets. This domestic carry-on has a 70/30 lid opening, which allows the bag to be packed like a traditional suitcase on a luggage rack. The interior is fully lined in a light fractal camouflage pattern, which makes finding contents easy. There's a top lid mesh compartment which can be used for additional organization and packing. Or, as a suitor compartment, the webbing strap holds 1 to 2 hanging garments. The main packing base of the bag features wide mesh cinch-down garment panels with a simple single-strap buckle closure to secure clothes in place, minimizing shifting in transit and reducing wrinkling. Premium hardware and components, meticulous attention to detail, and ruggedly engineered construction makes the Torq Domestic Carry-On a bold choice for global endeavors.